Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. So good. What's up, everybody? Afro Millennial Momma here. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're not, welcome. We're in the kitchen today. This is Yaya. Say what's up.
What's up? I'm cooking today.
What country do we live in, Yaya?
Senegal.
Where were you born? You were born in Los Angeles. Anyway, we recently moved here about a year and a half ago and making our life in West Africa, Senegal. Today, I'm doing a cooking video. I've done a couple of cooking videos in the past, but this time I'm really excited because I'm embarking on a new journey, if you will. It'll be a series in which I am going to prepare meals from specific countries, and I'm starting with the 12 or 13 countries that I've been to. Making a dish from Canada that's called Poutine, and it is fries with cheese curds and gravy. We don't have any chicken stock at the moment, but we're gonna improvise and make a roux and then add to it to make a, what is it called? Bercelet. I gotta look up the word that it's called, but I'm gonna make a white sauce basically. I don't have cheese curds, so I have Roquefort. I like Roquefort or blue cheeses. We're gonna try that. I got some almost butter, some margarine here for the roux, cooking oil for the fries, some flour to roux it up. Also, I have some peppers. I think I want to maybe garnish the dish with this. And then we have some seasonings, and I have some fish sauce. I'm probably gonna use it to make the gravy.
Look at Mama. She's trying to cook.
taste it?
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and get a fry out of there. Dip it. There you go. How is it? You like it?
I love it.
Everything. A fry.
Yep.
Cheese.
Yep.
A little spicy. And
Can't
bell
see my
peppers.
finger.
And some sauce. Some bechamel.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
So good. The best part is the bechamel, the white sauce,
Yeah.
and the fry.
Yeah.
The Roquefort cheese makes it a little saltier,
Yeah.
but it's still good. I
Yeah.
think we did good for our first time. Thank you guys for watching us. I'm gonna keep eating this. See you next time. Something you wanted to say?
Yeah. There's like this flag, these tiny little flags at
What's up, everybody? What country in Africa do we live in? Tell them, don't touch me. Tell them.
It's.
What country are you from? Wanna do it?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna do.
Hurry up, just put your hand, baby. Boom.
Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.